No contact is not working. My ex has not reached out to me, coach. What can I do? Hear this all the time. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed for the sole purpose of helping you navigate through different relationship issues. So that's the million-dollar question. We implement the no contact. In this case, let's put it 30 days. And not a peep comes from your ex. And you start having all kinds of doubts as to whether the no contact is working or will work. First and foremost, very important, it has nothing to do with it working or not. Your ex is not supposed to reach out to you during no contact. No contact is not necessarily about your ex, it's about you. So when we implement no contact and we still have that phone in our hand, and we're looking for the texts and we're looking for the emails and we're looking for anything, any sign of life from them, it's counterintuitive. It's not what no contact is meant to be. No contact is done mainly for you to regain a new perspective of the relationship. This is essential if we are to work together to rebuild a new relationship once the period of no contact is over and we can reach out. But we reach out with a different dynamic, with a different dialogue. It's not about our ex reaching out to us. You have to really think long term. There's no immediate solution. By the time we implement no contact and by the time you come to Coach Abby, you will probably have burned a couple of bridges. So we have to go slowly but surely to repave that foundation and to create the right environment so that when we do reach out, our exes are responsive. They are excited to hear from us because they see and they hear a different tone. No drama, no I miss you, no I love you, none of the above. It's more than anything just a way of saying hello. Period. End of story. Short and sweet. No contact always works. Now, does that mean it always works to get your ex back and live happily ever after? That's the goal. But if you implement it, as your coach will say to you to implement it, in this case, myself, I am very, very strict when it comes to that because I know that if you implement it in the way that I suggest, you maximize your chances of establishing an incredible dialogue with your ex at the proper time. But it never fails unless you fail to focus on your own personal transformation. Because what good does it do? So you implement no contact, you haven't spoken with him or her for 30 days, all of a sudden it's that same person. Hi, are you still mad at me? What went wrong? I really need to speak to you. I miss you, I love you. You take everything, all that drama, all that negativity, and bring it back to your present. And that's not what we're after. What we're after is that during this period of time is to exercise in such a way, mentally, emotionally, and physically, to create the best version of ourselves. That's why no contact never fails. Because at the end of the day, you will evolve into an amazing person, a person that probably was the person that attracted them at the very beginning, before possessiveness came in, before jealousy, before emotions. We go back to your core and we strengthen that core. And that is the magic of no contact. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Book a session with me. Let me help you strengthen your core. Let me show you your value. Let's reevaluate what we're after with the no contact. And it's not really about them contacting us. We broke up. They don't want to contact us. We're the ones that are trying to implement a strategy, changing dialogue, changing atmosphere, so that we can then reach out and make ourselves happily seductive. Until next time, I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Coach Abby.